After a multi-year hiatus, Russia is restarting full-scale production of the legendary TM-140 tracked amphibious all-terrain vehicle. Kurganmashzavod, part of the high-precision systems holding under the state corporation Rostec, has announced the release of an updated batch of machines designed for the most extreme and inaccessible regions of the country. The production plan for 2026 includes at least 40 units. The manufacturing line has been modernized, and output can be increased if needed. The vehicles will be available in 4 configurations, including a passenger version, a mobile repair workshop, and a model equipped with a crane manipulator. TM-140 is more than a typical off-roader, it's a specialized platform built for missions where reliability is non-negotiable. It is engineered to traverse deep snow, swampy terrain, and water obstacles, and can handle inclines of up to 30 degrees. On solid ground, the vehicle reaches speeds of up to 45 km per hour, while in water it can travel at 5 km per hour. The basic range exceeds 500 km, and with additional fuel tanks, it can extend to 870 km. This level of autonomy allows access to remote zones without the need for air support, a critical advantage for rescue or maintenance operations in Arctic environments. To mark Polar Explorers Day, Rostec released video footage for the first time showing the TM-140 undergoing field tests under extreme conditions, snow, ice, and harsh temperature swings. The trials confirmed the platform's rugged resilience. We're bringing back one of the most reliable examples of Russian engineering. The TM-140 has undergone significant modernization and is now returning to the market in a more functional, versatile form, Rostec representatives stated. The vehicle's design supports high adaptability through a modular chassis structure, making it easy to install specialized equipment such as power generators, rescue tools, and welding systems. One standout feature is its emergency start system, which allows the engine to fire up even if battery charge drops below 20% of nominal capacity. TM-140 units are already being supplied to Russia's Ministry of Emergency Situations. They are actively deployed in Arctic rescue centers in the Komi Republic, Chukotka, Yakutia, and the Arkhangelsk and Murmansk regions. In practice, the vehicle has proven its dependability in conditions where failure is not an option. Kurganmashzavod's engineering bureau continues to refine the model, improving transmission systems, thermal insulation, onboard controls, and overall mobility. At the same time, the vehicle remains field serviceable, key components can be replaced without the need for specialized workshops. The return of the TM-140 to mass production is more than a revival of a Soviet-era engineering icon. It's a calculated response to the operational demands of the far north, where no mission can succeed without uncompromising machinery.